Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. Today we'll be doing a pumpkin DIY painting and I will make a funny face. So I've got a pumpkin and I've got some brushes and acrylic paint. Before painting the pumpkin, let me take a wet tissue and clean the pumpkin for a smooth surface and we'll let it dry. Applying white colors for the eyes, and I'll put some thick colors so that it stays well on the surface. Since Halloween is coming, so parents and kids are very excited for pumpkin painting, so I have posted this video well ahead so that you have time to do your own DIY pumpkin painting. For the hat, I'm using a green color and making some fall leaves, and after that I'll be using some yellow to give some shade. Now painting the inner circle of the eye with a mix of blue and white color. Painting the nose with a red color. Now applying the dimples with mixing red and white, making a pink color, and then with black would make the mouth. Friends, thanks for watching my channel and supporting my channel. For new friends, please subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos. Now applying a little bit of white in between the nose. Painting the pupils with black color. Now would make the teeth with white color and tongue again with a pink color. Now once the paint is dried up, I will apply border lines to everything I have painted with a black color. You can see I've made eyelashes and extending the mouth a little bit for teeth, and would also add eyebrows. So that is DIY pumpkin we just painted. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you have, please do share, like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you will try this at home and enjoy your Halloween. Thanks, bye.